Hi everyone, this is Ravi. Welcome to TRICENTIS Tosca Advanced Training. As you all know, I've already published 56 YouTube videos covering beginners, intermediate, and advanced level concepts. From a couple of videos onwards, I've started teaching you the real-time scenarios where you might encounter with different types of obstacles and how can we solve those obstacles by using TRICENTIS Tosca. So this is our obstacle 15 in terms of real-time scenarios, and this is our lesson 57 in terms of overall TRICENTIS Tosca training. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon, you'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you a real-time scenario where you need to solve an obstacle by using the methods while loop and multiple interactions. So now let us see what is the obstacle in detail. So here is our obstacle again and again and again. This is categorized as medium. Let's go for it. So what is the obstacle that you need to solve? In order to complete this obstacle, you need to click the button labeled click me. After few clicks, the button will change to enough. And then again, click that button to finish the exercise. So you need to click this click me button once, second time, third time, fourth time. See now, after 4 clicks, this changed to enough. Now you click one more time. So now your automation problem solved. So let me retry. And this button turns to enough not only for the 5th time. So it is dynamic. It might turn after 1 click or it might turn after 3 clicks. So it is dynamic. So again let me try. 1, 2. See now this button turned into enough after 2 clicks. Click now, your automation problem solved. So how can we solve this? For that, let's go to Tosca. And this is my TRICENTIS Tosca. And this is the obstacle folder where we are scanning all our objects pertaining to each obstacle. So right click on this folder, click on scan and select application. Now select scan. And here I would like to capture an object of click me, right? Click me is the button. So this is the button I would like to capture. Select this button and then rename the module with the name of your obstacle. So let's go back here, copy the obstacle name and then here paste the obstacle name here. And now we completed capturing all the objects that are required to solve the obstacle. Now save this one and then close your Xcam. So let us go back to TRICENTIS Tosca. So this is the new obstacle that we captured, which has only one object, right? So now let's now concentrate on left side blue section, which is creation of test cases. Right click on obstacles folder, create new test case and name this as the same name that we copied earlier. Double click on this. Now to automate the test case, simply drag the module that we captured and drop onto your test case. So now what we need to do? We need to click on this button multiple times until the button turns into enough. So how can we achieve this? We can achieve this in different methods, but the appropriate method is using while. You can use if condition, you can use do conditions, right? But in this case, the appropriate method is to use while condition. Okay, so now what I'm going to do here, I'm going to right click on this particular test case, and then I'm going to start using, this is my create while statement. And now I'm going to bring this to the top. This is my while statement. Here, what is the condition? My condition is you have to click this button until the button title is click me. So now I would like to copy this same module, or you can use the same module, drag here and drop onto the condition, right? So what is the condition? My condition is the inner text of this particular button equal to click me, right? So you can see here now, this is my capital letters, click me. And here I would like to verify this. I want to verify if the inner text of this button is click me or not. So if this condition is meeting, that means if this condition met, then I would like to click on the button. So that's why again I would like to use the same button under loop. That means once this condition is satisfied, it enters into the loop. What it is going to do? It is going to click on the button. So I'm clicking on the button until this condition satisfies. So what it does? It enters the loop. It again comes back. It checks for the inner text click me. Then what happens? Again it clicks. So like that it keeps on repeating until the inner text changes to enough. If the inner text changes to enough, it comes out. But what we need to do, once it turns into enough, again you need to click. That's why I'm adding another new step here. Basically I'm keeping the same old step here, and then I'm gonna click another time. That's it. So let me explain one more time. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using the same object again and again. I'm using this object to verify the condition if the inner text is click me, and then I'm entering into the loop. It clicks on the button. Again it checks the condition. If it meets, again it clicks. Again checks the condition. If it meets, it again clicks. So again comes back. If this does not meet the condition, then comes out of it and it clicks once. And then your test case is done. So now let us change the test case status or work status as completed. And now let's save this particular test case and let us run this test case. Right click and run in Scratchbook. So it is clicking once, twice, 3 times. See, now enough is changed. It changed to enough and it clicked one more time. Your automation problem is solved. Let me again run again. Okay, let me run again to see if while condition works correctly or not. Okay, so right click and run in Scratchbook. So this time your button might turn into enough within 2 clicks or 3 clicks. Let's see if it handles. So it's clicked once, twice, done. So it turned in, and then it again clicked. Now your automation problem is solved. So hope you all understand the concept of solving the obstacle by using while condition, right? So anytime if you encounter this kind of scenarios, you need to use while condition for interacting multiple times with the same object. Hope you all understand the concept to solve an obstacle where you need to click the button labeled click me. How many times we need to click that? We need to click few times the same button until the button name changes to enough. We have used the concept of while loop and multiple interactions to solve this obstacle. Please do subscribe to the channel, click on bell icon, you'll receive notifications whenever I publish more videos. Don't forget to like and share the video. Thank you.